Hi, I'm Saba Wahid, resident chef here at Yale Appliance, and this is the latest version of the Miele Masterchef guided cooking system. In this video, you'll learn what Miele Masterchef allows you to do. We'll go over competitive systems from other brands, and I'll walk you through how to navigate the system and set up a dish. Let's get started. Miele Masterchef is a more robust and sophisticated system compared to others in its segment. Masterchef is set up like a smartphone app with a user-friendly interface. You choose a category of food, then the specific dish you want to cook, and it comes with a convenient wireless temperature probe that works seamlessly with Miele's auto roast function, allowing you to program the desired internal temperature of your food and let the oven do the work. Some direct competitors of Miele Masterchef are Wolf Gourmet, Jen Eyre's Culinary Center, and guided cooking programs from Fisher & Paykel and Signature Kitchen Suites. So the first thing we're going to do is turn the power on, hit the Gourmet Center option, and you have MasterChef and MasterChef Plus. MasterChef Plus are modes that you can actually use the moisture option with, and it's going to be ideal for a variety of different breads, lean proteins, fish, meat, and certain desserts. Let's go to the regular MasterChef. We have a variety of different options here, from baked goods to meat, potatoes, fish, pizza, and poultry. I'll select poultry, and we have a number of subcategories here: chicken, duck, pheasant, turkey, Cornish game hens, goose, and quail. So let's select turkey, and it's giving a recommended temperature of 325. I can also select my desired internal temperature. I'll select 165 degrees for the core temperature and hit OK. It's recommending the rack position and the type of tray to use. And in addition to that, we have our wireless probe as well, which will be detected once it's inside the oven. So the oven is now saying place food in the oven and use the roast probe. Go ahead, hit OK, and it will give an approximate finish time as well. Thanks for watching. Click the link in the description to download our free Pro Cooking Buying Guide to learn more about the Miele Masterchef and all the other advanced features.